Now, in this part, we will find the values. Here we have found in the previous calculations that what are the corresponding values for 1500 meters. Now we will find the values corresponding to 6000 feet. It is in FPS system, foot pound system, right? Foot pound and second system. Previously it was the CGS system. Now we will calculate the values corresponding to 6000 feet. Hence, we can see in the step 1, RF is given 1 is to 10,000. So, for FPS system, it will be considered in inch, not in centimeter, right? So, this is the calculation for FPS system, and we will calculate it in the inch. Now, here you can find 1 inch on the map is represented by 10,000 inch on the ground. So we are transferring that value, that section here, from the right side to left side. See, it is same, and now left side to here in the right side. So 10,000 inch on ground is represented by 1 inch on the map. So mathematically, for 1 inch we can calculate that, and for 6,000 feet, here it is feet, which will be transferred in the inch. That means 6,000 feet into 12. That will be converted into inch. So that is 72,000 inch now. Okay, that is how the value has come. We have got the value. So 72,000 inch. So after that calculating, we are getting this value 7.2 inch. So to show this value 6,000 feet on the map, we need to draw 7.2 inch according to this RF. In the step 2, previously we have selected 3 numbers of primary divisions. As we know from the characteristics of comparative scale, both the distance will have similar number of primary division and similar number of secondary divisions. Here for that case, এই কেসের জন্য কি করেছিলাম আমরা 3টে প্রাইমারি ডিভিশন, টোটাল নাম্বার অফ প্রাইমারি ডিভিশন কনসিডার করেছিলাম। তাহলে এই কেসেও 3টে টোটাল নাম্বার অফ প্রাইমারি ডিভিশন কনসিডার করতে হবে। ফর 3 প্রাইমারি ডিভিশন, 3টে প্রাইমারি ডিভিশন কত শো করবে? 7.2 ইঞ্চ, সিম্পল। তাহলে একটা প্রাইমারি ডিভিশন কত শো করবে? 7.2 by 3 is equal to 2.4 ইঞ্চ। अगेन সেই একটা প্রাইমারি ডিভিশন 3টে প্রাইমারি ডিভিশন এত শো করে, তাহলে একটা প্রাইমারি ডিভিশন কত শো করবে? এত বাই 3, সিম্পল, 2000 feet on ground. Here in the step 3, number of secondary division will be calculated. So for the number of secondary division, the formula is value of primary division divided by value of secondary division. Here we have found the value of one primary division, but as it is the value of secondary division is not given for this in this question, so for this case we can consider 5 number of secondary divisions. After this calculation, what we have found for 1500 meter, to show the 1500 meter, what we have got? The total length of the scale. Whatever calculation we have done from the same RF, for this, from the same that RF, we have calculated this. What you have got from the step 1, step 2 and step 3, the total length of the scale, as no primary division and no secondary division was separately mentioned, so we will consider this length to be shown in the total length. So total length of the scale is 15 centimeter for this and 7.2 inches for this. Total number of primary division is 3 and 3. Total number of secondary division 5 and 5. These are the characteristics of the comparative scale, that the number of primary division and number of secondary division will be same for both the scales. This is what comparative scale does. Okay, that is what comparative scale does. Okay, sorry, that what comparative scale does. Now value of one primary division is 500 meter for this, and value of one primary division for 2000 feet for this. Value of one secondary division is 100 meter for this. value of one secondary division for one secondary division is 400 feet for this. One primary division will be shown by how much length on the map? 5 centimeter. Here 2.4 inch. Now we will move forward for the drawings of or the construction of the scale.